Good afternoon, this is Melissa with the StockSwoosh.com and welcome everyone. I thought I would do a market review this afternoon. I haven't done one for about a week and the market's played out just beautifully in the last 2 weeks since I called it bullish really quite some time ago. It's been following through. This market is just nothing but strong, and you have to really see it for what it is. The breakout that happened here was real. I know we came in here really fast and quick right after the fact, but it didn't last long and it was a pull into support. We carried through higher, broke out over this area and broke out over that 70-50 number lickety split. And the day after we did it, I said I was looking for one big nice extension green bar, but the move wasn't over after the break. We barely got off the ground and we did it literally that day. I said it in the morning. We did it that day. It was amazing. This was on Thursday. Then we gapped up on Friday. And as the day traded, I said, geez, we're holding the gap. We're going to hold it. And we did. And then this morning I woke up and I first looked at the cues and I said, today we're probably going to rest, possibly come in, but still be bullish. Hold the low of yesterday's gap. And then as the trading day went on, I said, we are strong. We are strong. We are strong. We are strong. And 72.50 was the target I was looking for on Friday. We didn't get up there. We almost did, but we did today. 72.51. So we got to the target today for the market. This is very strong. There's clear signs of strength here all over the place. All over the place. So when you're looking at the market and you're looking at something that's starting to get extended like this, I know people tend to think, well, it's going to come in. It's got to come in. It doesn't have to do anything. It's barely got going. Therefore, there's no reason to expect red. People do two things that happens in red bars. One thing that happens is selling. The other thing that happens is shorting. Now, since we just started taking off here, there's no reason to expect people to take profits when they haven't been in that long to take the profits. Number one, unless it's the short-term players that want to take some profits. But the bigger term players are in this thing to get in it for the move and they're going to carry it through. And no one should be shorting in here. I would hope that no one would short in here. I would hope that no one would think that this is anything that even remotely resembles a short because it's not. The market's higher. The market's higher this year unless it gaps down. And I said that a long time ago. So there's no reason to expect red. People that are up are up. There's no reason for them to get out. They're expecting a nice rally here, a nice move. We just started getting going. So why wouldn't anyone take profits? Chintzy people might take profits who don't understand what's really going on here, that the market's higher this year. But I don't think any large money is going to take profits. Why? Because we just started getting going. And this is a serious effect now that's occurred. This breakout that happened over this brace was serious. I took that seriously. I didn't get off my bias even with this pull in. It was a pull into support. It didn't do anything wrong and flipped immediately. This is real and you can't deny it. And this is real. This nice big green bar here, the gap up and holding is real. So the market will tire a little bit at some point. I'm not sure when that'll be in the next week. I watch it and trade and make the decisions when I see the market in the morning trading. However, that being said, even a pull-in would still be to a support level that will hold for the market to move higher. And that's all it would be. We're not going to see any crazy red going on in here. Any big, huge, crazy red because people are up now and they're looking for a nice follow-through move. Eventually, we're going to need to do some kind of pull into support, but it may not be tomorrow. Even as extended as we're looking here, we really might hold this gap. I'm going to leave it out there that we could. Otherwise, where would be the area we pull into? Well, of course, it would be right here, 70.50. 70.50 would be the area we pull into to hold right in here. And that would still be very, very strong. So how does it work? We'd come down and pull in to the resistance, which is now what? A support level. It's not resistance anymore. It's going to be support when the market wants to come into that. Although we may carry through for a little while here before we do it. Anything's possible. Nice bullish move in the last 2 weeks in the market that has carried through, and there's no reason to expect that it's going to do anything other than this. Remember, Read the signs, read the price action, follow that through to the letter. This is not a time to be trying to make it up as you go along. See it for what it is. This is real strength. I mean, real strength. When I looked at the market this morning, I said, geez, you know, we are strong. We are absolutely strong. And when I saw that this morning, I said, we're going to hold even today. And we came in at one point. What time was it? 11 o'clock. 11 o'clock reversal time. We came in and we almost could have broken the low of the day on the trading day today, but we did not do it. We held the low of the day at 11 o'clock reversal time, and that was it. We did a retest and carried through. Now, we didn't go much of anywhere because, again, this is really just, you know, so strong. But the longer we stayed in here holding, making a nice tiny little push up and holding, we're actually resting in between the holds. So we gap up, trade up a little bit, come in, trade up a little bit, come in, rest, move a little higher, rest. Do you see? So we're resting in between. We're going, and we're resting, and then we're resting. So we're resting during the trading days. So we'll have to see how this actually plays out the rest of the week. The market is very strong though. This is a market update of the QQQs by the stock Swoosh LLC. If you would like more information on how to trade gaps or read the market or the live trading room that I run, please feel free to email me at melissa@thestockswoosh.com. Thanks and have a great night, everyone.